Hello everybody and welcome to the finale of the Backpacking Europe vlogs. We're packing up right now, getting ready to leave and head to the airport and head back to USA. Everyone's sad.
We're flying to Houston, they're flying to Chicago because cheap flights f***ed up.
That is true indeed. So, me and Rose will be taking a separate flight from Mers and Jay, but we will not be partying yet, so let's not start the tears until we get to the airport. Bags, 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 vag, Jay, Mers, sadness.
You're gonna get up.
No.
It's hella white.
Here we go, guys. Nobody cry on the way down. See you later. You've been good. Yes, please. Made it to the airport. The sadness does not begin yet. It begins after TSA. So let's check in.
Then you should be able to go to fast track.
Here. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. You guys are gonna have to stay in there for a second.
What you gonna do? The man is coming through. You got it going on. Hey yo, that ain't nothing new. What you
This is the last meal in London here with the crew before we part ways. Once again, Cheap Tickets messed up our itinerary and gave Mers and Jay a different flight. Here's everybody.
It was a different flight in case you didn't know who Mers and Jay was.
Also, before we left for London, I said that if we hit 1,000 subscribers before we left, that I would buy everybody fish and chips. So this is me following my word.
Following through. But I didn't order fish and chips.
This is me following through.
You're the fish, darling, and you're the fish.
Woo!
How cute is lightness? Happened to be me.
Last time I'll be doing this in Europe. Cheers. Should've got the fish and chips.
Only for business class.
And just like that, Mers and Jay have left. It's just me and Rose, waiting for our flight. Boarding. We're on, but look at this. What is that? What is that? Back home. Snacks. And look what Rizal got. Pour it up, pour it up. We're home. Wipe the tears. Oh, have a seat. Alright everybody, back where I started the journey, at the house. JC was here to greet me.
Hello, I'm the special finale guest.
This is gonna end the Backpacking Europe series. Thank you to everybody that has tuned in and watched it every single day. If this is your first time watching, go back to episode 1 to see the entire journey of the Europe backpacking trip, and I'll see you guys whenever I upload another video. Anything you'd like to say, JC?
This is Chris Punsalan and Chris Punsalan signing off here. Goodbye.
Peace.